Hello friends, today we will discuss about the SQL commands. How SQL command you used in your code. When you write your own query, when you write some query for your database, then these SQL commands must be very much useful whenever you use your own, create your own commands. So these SQL command, these types of 4 SQL commands are very much necessary when you use your own query, when you create your own query. So creating your own query, first of all you need to know about the data definition language. Data definition language. So this data definition language commands, these are the definition commands. You must specify as definition command. So these definition command create you can create by using this definition commands your query. So when you want to create your own query, so creating your own table, then you can use this create statement. Create DDL language command, data definition language command, create. When you want to alter your data, alter your table, you can use alter. If you want to use drop table, if you want to drop the table, you can drop your table. If you want to rename your table, then you can rename your table. Truncate your table, then you can truncate your table. And as well as comment on your table, then you can create comment on your table. So these 6 statements, so these 1 2 3 4 5 6, these 6 statements were used into data definition language. So if you want to create your query, so you use these 6 statements, where these four definition languages are, these 4 languages must be used in your command while creating your command. So you have to remember like this. So this is first has been done. Now second, data manipulation language. So data manipulation language, when you want to create your query, so these 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, pardon, it is 8. Okay, so these 8 statements must be used into DML. It create create manipulation. Manipulation means some changes. So how you can remember this? This is the technique to remember these queries. How you can remember these statement, these queries? By using this definition, manipulation, and so forth. I will tell you, let you know about this. Definition means it create definition to your query. Create definition to your statement, your query. Manipulation means manipulate your query. Okay, you can remember like this. Manipulate your query, that means select statement, it will not manipulate your query. Select statement will not manipulate your query, but it will create your table. It will show the data of your table. That means manipulation is somehow, manipulation is there. Insert is properly manipulation. Inserting means you can insert data into your table. So clearly it is a manipulation language, manipulation statement. Update, it is also manipulation statement. Delete, merge, call, explain plan, lock table. So these are the 8 manipulation language commands is also there. So you can, when you want to create your own query, then you have to use these statements. Just like this, data control language. When control is accessed, you can remember like control given to your SQL. Control is given to your SQL commands. Grant and revoke. Grant permission and revoke permission. So this is how you can remember the control. How you can remember the control. So these four are the main important. Last one is transaction control. So here I think it is not visible. TCL is here, transaction control language, where TCL have commit, rollback, save point and set transaction. So students, you can note this 4 type of SQL commands. This is most important 4 type of SQL commands. It is always be useful. So in DDL it has 6 statements, in DML it has 8 statements, DCL 2 statements, TCL 4 statements. So write down these queries, write down these statements, commands by which you can create your own query in your SQL databases. Till then, learn about SQL and learn about more about programming. For more videos, like my videos, subscribe my videos, and do not forget to share my videos. If you share my videos, I will definitely provide lot of data content on programming and SQL. Till then, thank you.